Race.
How old are you, Nithil?
I am healthy.
You are 4 years old.
Yeah, right here.
Can you tell A, B, C, D?
A, B, C, D.
Yeah. A.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, J, K, J, L, 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 P, Q, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now I know what A, B, C, and I want to me.
1, 2, 3. Can you tell me 1, 2, 3?
1,
Numbers.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Hey!
Hey, come on.
What's in
Continue,
mine?
continue, please.
Hey!
11,
11,
12.
12, 14, 15, 13, 15, 19, 20.
Good. Twinkle, twinkle, little star. Can you sing?
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how my brother brightened earth. Up above the roses sky, brightened giant in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, how my brother brightened earth.
What is your name?
Then
What is your name, Nithil?
it's the star.
Which is your place? Can you show your place?
Oh, okay.
Can you show which is your place?
Hey, what is that?
Which is your place, Nithil?
Shoot, shoot. I get
It's shadow.
shadow.
Okay. Thank you, Nithil. Let's go. Let's go home.
Okay.